Hello and welcome to week 3 of Human Development, Educational Psychology. I hope that you had a good week last week, and I look forward to grading your quizzes to see how you did on identifying the different types of research studies. So I will be posting those grades soon, and I will indicate comments about those that you missed. You'll have to go into the quiz to see those. But I'm more than happy to meet with you if you have any questions, or you can always email me, and I'm happy to explain what you missed and why, because you will be tested over identifying those types of research studies on the midterm exam, so it's important that you understand how to do that. So this week, in week 3, we're going to be moving into chapter 3, which is different types of learning. So be sure that you go into the lecture. Be sure to watch the video lecture. There's actually 2 parts, A and B. Here's the transcript and the notes, so be sure to watch that. And then you will have some presentations from your classmates. I'll be posting these. They're not due till Sunday, so I'll try to get them in sometime on Monday. It may take me another day if there's any changes that need to be made, but be sure that you watch those, because those are going to be important for preparing for your exam, your midterm exam. So just be sure to watch these short videos. And then this week you're going to have a discussion over metacognition, which is one of the higher level learning techniques that you'll be reading in chapter 3. And so what you'll be doing, here's the instructions. You're going to watch 3 different videos. It's the same child over several different years answering the same questions. So you're going to, I put a table here for you. You don't need to turn it in, but it might just help you to record responses. But I ask the same questions: what is learning, what is thinking? So if you want to use this table to just record the responses to help you, that would be good. But you're going to watch the videos from the 3 years and think about how he changes and how his responses differ and what that might mean. So how did his strategies change? And you can look in the book. There's several different tables and charts that talk about how metacognition changes over the years. And then think about why. You know, obviously some of it is developmental, but there's also some environmental influences from his teachers, family, that type of thing that may have played a role. So you're going to post a response in 150 to 300 words by Thursday, and explain how his metacognition changes over time. Make sure that you include information from the textbook. So the textbook talks about metacognition and how it changes. So just be sure to include that. Do not use direct quotes, so put it in your own words, but let me know that you've read it. So instead of posting, I think that this, I think that this, explain what you saw in the videos, and then explain why based on what you've read in the book and how the book talks about metacognition. And then by Sunday, you'll have to post 2 replies to your classmates. And these are some questions to guide you. How does their response differ from yours? What additional information might you add? Some other experiences that you may have had. So I'll be posting replies also. You can use mine as examples, but be sure that you do more than just agree with the person. Actually add some support from the book or additional examples to kind of further the discussion. And it's okay if you replied to replies. You don't have to just reply to responses, but you need to have 3 total posts for the week. So if you have questions about this, just be sure to post it in the class discussion board. Otherwise, I look forward to hearing from you in the discussion this week. Thanks.